how to multiply using percentages. So this trick will help you multiply two two-digit numbers or three-digit numbers or a two-digit and a three-digit number very, very quickly. So in this trick, what we do is we begin by assuming one of these numbers as a percentage. So for example, if you have to multiply 78 into 52, we'll either assume 52 to be a percentage and we'll calculate 52% of 72, or either we'll take 78 as a percentage and we'll calculate 78% of 52. Let's just calculate the 52% of 78. So to do that, what we'll do, we'll also break down this percentage into smaller parts. So for example, 52 can be broken down into 50%, plus 1%, plus 1%. So these are the parts that we will use: 50%, 25%, 10%, 5%, and 1%. So first of all, let's break this down into the parts. So 78. Now to calculate these percentages, we have some quick tips over here. So for 50%, 50% is nothing but the half of that number. 25% is the quarter, or you can just half it twice. 10% is just divided by 10. So the simplest trick to calculate that is shift the decimal point one place to the left. 5% is just a half of 10%, and 1% is divided by 100. So shift the decimal point twice to the left. Using this logic, 78, 50% will be half of 78. So 39 plus 1% of 78. Shift the decimal places 2 times 2 over here. So you'll get 0.78 plus 0.78. So you have 39 plus 1.56. And finally, you have 40.56. So is this your final answer? Absolutely not. But since we calculated 52% of 78, what we essentially calculated was 78 into 0.52, because that's how percentages work, right? So to get this into this, what we have to do is we just have to multiply this with 100. So 0.52 will become 52 and we'll get 78 into 52. So since this is what we calculated and 40.56 is nothing but 78 into 0.52, multiplying this with 100, so just multiply this with 100 and you will get 4056, and this is your final answer. So even though it took a lot of steps here, we actually wrote down all of them individually for the sake of understanding, but if you practice this enough, you can do it very quickly, even inside your head. So let's just do one more example. Let's take two three-digit numbers this time. So for three-digit numbers, you have a hundreds place also, right? So what happens when you take more than 100%? So like 300%, 400%, you just multiply that number that many times. So again, I'm writing down all these steps for the sake of simplicity. You can do this directly as well. So whenever you have a lot of decimal points over here, take them separately and take the whole number separately and add them. So plus 1.7, and you get your final answer as 1574.7. So when you multiply this with 100, you'll get the final answer as, you just shift the decimal point 2 places, right? So you'll get 157470. Subscribe if you want more tips and tricks like this, and thanks for watching.